Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this section, we're talking about Noorania lesson 1. Now, if you look carefully, I will color some letters, then explain why I put this color. Alif. The top handwriting is the way we pronounce the letter. The black handwriting is the way we write it down the letter. Okay, Alif and Hamza, no mad, because they don't have the letters of mad, and the letter of mad is Alif. Wow, yeah. So Alif and Hamza, no mad. So don't strength when you reading those letters. Don't say Alif, Hamza. No. Alif, Hamza. They're very short, no mat on it. Okay. Now I'm putting some green for some letters like Ba, Ta, Tha, Ha, Ha, Ra, Za, Ta, Dha, Fa, Ha, Ya, Ya. This letter is called Maddul letters. It's Maddul Tabi'i and it's 2 count. If you see the end of each letter has Alif, the green highlighted letters. Ba end with Alif, Ta with Alif, and so on. That means Maddul Tabi'i 2 count. So when you're pronouncing those letters, don't strength longer than 2 count. Let's move on. Jim, Dal, Dhal, Sin, Shin, Sad, Tad, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Wow. All those purple letters highlighted are Maddul Lazim and it's 6 count. If you see this letters has 3 letters like Jim, example, Jim has Jim, Ya and Mim. The middle letters is the mad letters and it's Ya. So on. Let's explain another one. Like Dal. It has 3 letters. Dal, Alif and Lam. The middle letters is Alif. So all the purpose letters, if you see carefully, you will see the middle letters either Alif or Waw or Ya. And the last letter always has silent, sukun, on it. That means it's Maddul Lazim and has 6 count. So you have to pronounce longer than the green highlighted one. Dal, Dhal, and carefully pronounce the last letters you have to show, whether it's Lam, the ending, or Noon, or Mim. If you see here, let's put underline here, Dal, and Dal here. We have 2 Dal at the end for Sad, Dad, and you realize it's a bouncing at the end. That's called qalqalah. So don't say Sad, Dad. That's wrong. You have to say Sad, Dad, because this echo or bouncing has 5 letters. When they are silent, we do bouncing. So Sad, Dad has the qalqalah letters at the end. Naam. Now let's highlight another 2 letters. عين غين. This is called مد letters because it's ya silent, the letter before has fatha on it. And the long for these two letters either 2, 4 or 6. So عين غين has مد in the middle of these letters. Do you see how the lesson 1 has more colorful now? Let's highlight the heavy letters, the 7 heavy letters. Okay. خا صاد ضاد طا ظا غين قاف. 7 heavy letters. Why they are heavy and why these letters are called استعلاء letters? Because the voice raised all the way up to the roof. So that's why called heavy letters, and they're always these 7. But some of these letters are more stronger to others, and those are صاد and ضاد طا ظا. So it's called إدباق. This 4 is called إدباق because when your voice raised all the way to the up, it didn't go back, so it's moving all around between the mouth, between your tongue and the roof, and it's called إدباق letters. نعم. We have alif here, and we have ra, and we have lam here. These 3 letters, they are sometimes heavy and sometimes light. I think we finished the lesson 1. See you for the next section. بإذن الله تعالى. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.